We're going to look at recursions right now, and there are three basic types. The first one being what's called an arithmetic sequence, and that is that each term is exactly a fixed constant more than the previous term. So if we wanted to generate the first few terms of this sequence, we would find that it looks something like this. Being a sequence means it's infinite in nature, and we can predict it. Being an arithmetic sequence means we can actually find a general term if we are interested. The second one is a geometric sequence, because each term is a constant multiple, or consecutive terms have a constant ratio. So in this case here, if my first term is 81, then my second term will be 54, my third term 36, my fourth term 24, and so on. Those are rather simple, and I can actually come up with a general nth term for each of those. The last one, though, is a more complicated type of recursion, the type we're going to spend more time on. This is one where it's not actually simple to come up with a general term, but I can produce all of the terms in a row. So in this case, I know that A1 and 2 are 1, A3 therefore is 2, A4 is 3, A5 is 5, A6 is 8, and so on. Many of you will recognize this as the famous Fibonacci sequence. Fibonacci was a middle-aged mathematician who was looking at these studies. It also describes spiral patterns in things like pine cones, honeycomb, sunflowers, interesting stuff. For Tuesday's lecture, this is the only thing you are responsible for, is just the section on recursions and sequences. Thursday we'll be starting set theory. So I want you to make sure you read the book, try lots of examples. This is not material that will be difficult for you to understand, so between the book and just practicing you should have enough material. Now as far as the due dates go, all of the due dates for this week and for the week after spring break have been extended. Over spring break, I will update the syllabus to include the future exam dates. So please be checking Canvas every day to look for new videos and new information. Have a great week.